Am
Yeah.
I visible now? Can you see me?
Yes. Yes, I
Okay,
can.
perfect. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking as well. My name is Aparna. I'm an ESL teacher, that is English as a second language, as well as a public speaking instructor. That's what I do. I'm a full time teacher. Very nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here.
Perfect. So, may I know something about you, Tanuja?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal. Uh, as well as my qualification, I have done engineering from computer science, and currently I am a working professional in IT sector. Yeah, that's all about me.
Perfect. Is this your last session? I saw that it's a farewell session.
Yes, yes.
All right, okay. So you can tell me about how is it so far? How is your journey with Clapingo? How are you doing at present?
Yeah, I think my journey is good on Clapingo because
Mm-hmm.
most of the time I just get to know that where I'm doing any kind of mistake. So I'm just working on that thing because when someone says like you don't have to do this thing, so we just focus on those things like oh, I don't have to do these things again. So yeah, it is a good journey, I think.
Okay, perfect. And what are you looking forward to?
Yeah, in some of the session I didn't get the feedback, I think so. So I just
Okay,
think like, yeah, it should be like feedback should be given in the
definitely.
session.
Yes, yes. There is no doubt about it because we need to have the feedback right in the session so that you can
Mhm.
improve for the next sessions, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, Tanuja, as this is our first session, what I'll be doing is I'll start asking you random questions. Let me see how you answer. Accordingly, I'll be giving you the feedback as well as how to improve them. Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. So, may I know how was your lockdown period during the COVID?
Okay, so actually it was very fun, and as well as I was very scared that time because now outside the COVID and we got scared like we can't go outside and we can't do anything. So, but in the home we I was spending my time with my family, and
Mhm.
yeah, some of my cousin brother stuck here at my home. So that time was like funny moment for me because we spent a lot of time together and we did a lot of fun activities that time.
Activities, yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And any particular challenge that you faced during that period?
Yes, challenges was for me like my father was not able to go to office
Yeah.
because his work was outside work, so he was
Mhm.
not able to do. And I was in IT sector, so I was able to do from work from home.
Work
So
from home, yes.
yes, so it was good for me. So I was able to help my family members. So yeah, it was good.
Perfect. Okay, that's a
But
good
yeah,
thing.
challenges was also like if someone is having any kind of fever or something, so we get scared like yeah, it can be COVID or something.
Exactly.
So
Even if someone used to sneeze or cough, we used to think, oh my God, is this COVID or is it going to affect us, right?
yes, right.
Terrible times.
Yeah.
Now, Tanuja, what about your short-term goal? Do you have any short-term goal that you would love to achieve?
Yes. So my short-term goal actually, I want to become fluent in this language because I face a lot of difficulties at my workplace. So I have to do these things, and as well as I have to reach on a certain level of goal
Yes,
in my current company. Like yes, I have to achieve these things. I have to
exactly.
go on a particular designation. So yeah,
Yes,
that is
yes. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So
Perfect.
that is my short-term goal.
Understood. Do you have any hobbies or passion that you like to follow?
Yes, I love to do drawing and dancing as well. But like we are not getting much time to do this kind of activities sometimes. Uh,
Yes.
I wanted to learn these things like dancing,
Yeah.
especially,
Yeah.
but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, unfortunately, I'm not able to do. But yeah, whenever I get time at my home, so I just do it for fun.
Oh, wow.
Same.
Interesting. Okay. Are you professionally trained or do you just watch the videos and you learn from that?
No, no, I'm not proficient in this. I'm just doing by myself, just watching
Yes,
TV or something.
perfect. And Tanuja, may I know about your hometown, where exactly you are from?
Okay, so I'm from Bhopal. So basically, Bhopal is called a city of lakes. So here are so many lakes you can see. Uh, and yeah, there are so many historical places as well to visit. So if
Yes.
anyone comes here, so they can visit a lot of places like museum. There are many lakes here,
Mhm.
and yeah, there are so many malls, and as well as the biggest mall is also here, I think, DB City
Mhm.
Mall. So yeah, anyone can visit
Perfect.
here.
Okay. Is there anything that you would love to change about your hometown?
Yes, like in my city, there is
Yes.
no any MNC company, especially IT sector.
Ah,
So
yes. Mhm.
I just wanted to change this thing because some of the branches should be here also. Because
Mhm.
now I'm working from home, so I'm at my hometown. But if I'll have to visit my office, so I have
Vivid,
to go to
yes.
another
Mhm.
city. There is
Mhm.
no this kind of company in my area or in my city. So
Yes. That is one thing that you would love to change, right?
yes.
Okay. Understood. Now, Tanuja, overall, what I can understand from the way that you are communicating is first thing, you are going a little too fast while communicating. So, we have to control our pace a little bit. Now, I am just speaking as a professional way of speaking. Okay. What will be useful for you in your office while you're talking to your colleagues or while attending a meeting or having a presentation where you are presenting yourself. The product that you're selling is just you. Okay, you are the product and you need to be presentable. That is how you are going to showcase your communication skills.
Yes.
That should be our goal. Okay, so I'm not talking about the way that you communicated right now. It was pretty informal. Okay. And it didn't have a professionalism or the way that we would communicate. You were not taking any pause in between. So, what was happening is you were running with the content. You just wanted to finish it, whatever I was asking you. So, in that process, what is happening is you're not having a command over the language. You need to control it as much as possible. Okay.
Okay.
Second is having voice modulation. Tone plays a vital role while you're communicating with anyone. Right now, your tone is medium, which is a good thing, but it is monotonous. Okay, that means it's going in the same wavelength throughout the conversation. There is not much of an up and down happening. That is the voice modulation which we are talking about. What you can do is every day start reading aloud 4 to 5 lines. Okay, it can be an article, it can be any book. So what you are doing is stress on each word. Okay, when you're stressing on each word, the voice should go up and it should come down, up, down. So depending on the situation, your voice should go up based on the priority of the topic that you're talking about. Okay, so
Okay.
in this way, what is happening is you're grabbing the attention of the audience. Okay, for example, if you are attending a meeting, you're hosting a meeting, now you are the center of attraction. Okay, so you need to command, you need to be the person whom everyone should listen to.
Yes.
Okay, for that, what will happen is tone plays a vital role. If your tone is very low or monotonous, it will be lost in conversation. We have to concentrate on standing it out always. Okay, so
Yes.
this is something that we need to learn by the way of professional speaking. Now, what I'll be doing is I'll be giving you certain activities that you can do at home as a homework. Okay, so every
Okay.
day what you need to do is at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day watch something in English. It can be motivational videos, short stories, or documentaries, anything that you're interested in.
Mhm.
Once you have watched it, understood about it, what exactly they are talking about, now try to put it in your own words. Frame your own sentences, record that video. While recording, do not use the front camera, use the back camera instead, where you can understand that you can speak freely rather than feeling conscious while looking at yourself. Okay?
Yes. Mhm.
Once the recording is done, I want you to analyze the video at least 2 to 3 times. Make a note of it, read it, and try to reframe the sentences. Count how many times you're going to use fillers. Say, suppose in a minute you're using it 10 times today.
Mhm.
Tomorrow it can remain 10, it can go down, but it should not go up. So we are trying to reduce it one by one as
Yeah.
much as possible. Second thing, sentences that you have framed. Make sure that you're writing down all the sentences that you have framed. Read it and try to reframe the sentences. Self analysis is very important. I cannot stress enough on it because no matter what feedback I'm giving you, it's not
Mhm.
going to help you until and unless you're sure about, yes, this is the mistake I'm making. I need to work hard on it. Okay.
Yes.
Once that is done, come back to me or any other speaker for that matter. Ask us whether these sentences are correct or not. Am I making any mistake? What about the grammatical errors? Okay. So, in this
Mhm.
process, you will understand in a better way. I know this is your last session, but if you're planning to
Mhm.
increase it or whatever it is, so what I'm giving you is a homework that you need to be prepared for the next session. Okay. So,
Okay.
what I want you to do is prepare for a topic. It is a presentation. Any topic will do. It can be work
Mhm.
related as well. So, what I'm expecting from you is a formal way of presentation. So, in this, you will be starting off with the greeting, topic of the day, objectives that we will be covering, what are the points that you will be coming under,
Mhm.
with examples if required, then the conclusion. Lastly, you have to be open for questions. Okay. So
Mhm.
if it's your 15-minute session, what I'll recommend is 10 minutes for the presentation, but you have to be very clear about the time management. It should be completed in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Rest of the minutes would go for me. Okay. Where I'll be giving you the feedback, what exactly
Mhm.
you were doing, where exactly you went wrong. I will be judging on your presentation skills, the way
Okay.
that you are explaining, voice modulation, okay, eye
Mhm.
contact, body language, everything that comes under it. All right. So these are the things that I'll be judging you on. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Any questions, any doubts so far, Tanuja? Please let me know.
Yeah, I think I know that I'm doing these mistakes because whenever I talk, I feel like yes, I'm speaking and I'm able to give the answer. But
Mm-hmm.
I don't look like professional, especially in my meeting also. I don't feel like that because when I see other person who are speaking very
The
well
people,
English, so
yeah. Mm-hmm.
my colleagues and my manager, so I don't feel like that I'm professional, professional
Mm-hmm.
speaker. So
Yeah.
yes, I will do all these things that whatever you told me.
Okay, perfect. All right. So, Tanuja, just keep in mind that these are the things that I'm expecting you to do. Definitely, we
Mhm.
will get there. Because right now, Tanuja, you are speaking like a college student, right? So, we have to
Mhm.
upscale it so that you can make sure that you have a standpoint in your professional career as well. People should not make you be like a fresher,
Yes.
okay, which you are not. So
Mhm.
your experience should count on it. Okay. So
Yes.
these are the things that are important. How communication plays a vital role in dictating it as well.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So overall, Tanuja, I had a great session with you. It was lovely having you here. If you like the session, please provide me with the feedback and I'll do the same from my end.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Sure.
right.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much
much.
for all
Ha-
your advice. Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Yes, sure. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.